Tell me about yourself.
I have a bachelor's degree in accounting and have worked as an accounting clerk for the past 3 years at XYZ Company. I have experience with accounts payable and receivable, ledger management, and financial reporting. I'm detail-oriented, proficient with accounting software such as QuickBooks, and I'm passionate about maintaining accurate financial records.
Why do you want to work for our company?
I am impressed by your company's reputation for innovation and strong ethical standards. I am particularly interested in the opportunity to work with a talented team and contribute to your company's continued success. Your commitment to employee development is also something that appeals to me.
What accounting software are you familiar with?
I am proficient with QuickBooks, Microsoft Excel, and SAP. In my previous role, I used QuickBooks for managing day-to-day transactions and generating financial reports. I also have experience with Excel for data analysis and creating financial models.
Can you explain the difference between accounts payable and accounts receivable?
Accounts payable refers to the money a company owes to its suppliers or creditors for goods and services purchased on credit. Accounts receivable, on the other hand, is the money owed to the company by its customers for products or services delivered but not yet paid for.
Describe a time when you identified an error in an invoice. How did you handle it?
In my previous job, I once found a discrepancy in an invoice where the amount billed was higher than the purchase order. I cross-checked the documents and contacted the supplier to discuss the issue. It turned out to be a clerical error on their part, which they corrected promptly. I then updated our records and ensured the correct amount was paid.
How do you prioritize your work when you have multiple deadlines?
I start by listing all my tasks and their respective deadlines. I then prioritize them based on urgency and importance, often using a method like the Eisenhower matrix. I also ensure to break down larger tasks into manageable steps and set mini deadlines to stay on track. Effective communication with my team and time management tools like calendars and to-do lists help me stay organized.
How would you handle a situation where you are missing information to complete a task?
If I am missing information, I would first check all available resources to ensure the information is not overlooked. If it's still unavailable, I would reach out to the relevant department or person to request the needed information, explaining the urgency and context. Clear communication and following up are key to resolving such issues promptly.
How do you ensure accuracy in your work?
I double-check my work to ensure accuracy and consistency. I use checklists and cross-reference documents to avoid missing any details. Regularly updating and reviewing my work helps catch errors early. Additionally, using accounting software with built-in error checking features also helps maintain accuracy.
What steps do you take to stay updated with changes in accounting regulations?
I subscribe to industry publications, attend webinars and workshops, and participate in professional accounting forums. I also network with other accounting professionals and follow updates from regulatory bodies like the Financial Accounting Standards Board, FOSB, and the International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. Continuous learning through courses and certifications also helps me stay current.
Can you describe your experience with financial reporting?
In my previous role, I was responsible for preparing monthly financial statements, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. I ensured all entries were accurately recorded and reconciled discrepancies in the ledgers. I also assisted in preparing quarterly and annual reports for management review, providing insights into the company's financial health.
What do you consider your greatest strength as an accounting clerk?
My greatest strength is my attention to detail. I have a meticulous approach to handling financial data and ensuring that records are accurate and up to date. This helps prevent errors and discrepancies, which is crucial in maintaining the integrity of financial information.
What motivates you to do your best work?
I am motivated by a sense of accomplishment and knowing that my work contributes to the overall success of the company. I find satisfaction in solving problems and improving processes, and I am driven by the desire to continually develop my skills and take on new challenges.